Some of the scrap I found yesterday. I found this, my friend's complex, Jordan, found those two chairs, and Jordan, I found this in my garbage can near your house. Did get a water cooler, a screen, flat screen from a computer, and also got this computer here. Looks like someone took out the chip and the RAM, but most of the materials there, I think there's a hard drive there and DVD player and a couple DVD players, I think, and a hard drive, I believe. Yeah, no, the hard drive's gone, but not bad looking case. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of street scrapping tonight for maybe for an hour or so. We'll see how it is. It's really hot right now. It's like 32 degrees Celsius right now, so I'll hunt a little bit for maybe, like I say, an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then we'll see how it goes. A little bit of scrap metal here on the side. Looks like cabinet hinges. I'm gonna throw that in. Let's throw it right here. About 15 pounds here. It's pretty heavy. They left it nicely for me to take. I want to show you a rabbit here. Let's see how close I can get. This rabbit there. Can you see him? Look how close I'm getting him. Amazing. Come on. Can you see me? Not, he's probably a baby. Oh, look at him. Hello. The people dump some garbage here. Grab his chair. The wife said she saw something in some metal in a ditch here. Over here. No, it's just junk. Well, chair, I'll take the chair. Clean up the neighborhood. Huh? Nothing good. Flat screen, side of the road. Oh, wow, it's heavy. It's got the board in it. This one on the back is a real heavy one. Ugh. It's probably about 40 pounds. Very heavy. Heavy? Ah, it's super heavy.
Why is it so heavy?
Because it's all metal in it. It's not like those crappy ones. Are you junking this? Junk? Okay, cool. Yeah, I gotta use this for chairs. You can use.
The chairs fold.
These don't fold.
Sure?
Well, they could fold, but
I think they fold. That would work with that table you bought, the middle table.
actually,
So chairs fold.
actually pretty good chairs. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. I found a white table, right, a round one, so it's gonna come in handy.
Well, I was gonna put more tile on it.
Oh yeah. There it is. My daughter would be happy. Oh yeah, for sure, thanks. That's it, I'll take this too. This table's not bad actually. It has tiles on top, but nice find. My daughter would be super happy for those chairs. I found a round table before, and a round table we'll paint it all white. She'll be super happy. Here's a metal lamp, come in handy. Rest I can't use. Bike frame, side of the road. cheap one, but that's heavy, like 25 pounds.
Right after someone popped out of the tires, he said, "That's my bike."
I'm in an industrial area right now. Someone dumped a part of the air conditioner out. Taking for metal. Might as well make my load bigger. No point leaving it there. It's probably at least 20 pounds, so $1.30. $1.30 in scrap metal, so another piece here too. Nope, it's only wood. Might as well pick it up. There's some baseboard metal here. Throw that in. Do the guy a bit of a favor. I wonder where the copper aluminum fins went. Not too bad. That's it. Not too bad, not better than nothing. Chair right here. Oh, holy smokes. It's heavy. It's like a cast iron. 30 pounds here. £30 worth.
What?
So 30 pounds? Funky looking. That's a good one, 30 pounds. Okay, looks like I got a stool. Not super heavy, but might as well leave the garbage behind. Printer side of the road. Hey, how you doing? Oh, the big one. I like the big ones. It's a big printer, big boards, or junk. Okay, got a tabletop here. Oh yeah, it's nice and heavy. I like to find these heavy furnitures. That's like 30 pounds there, 25 pounds at least. Awesome. Bike frame on the side of the road. Bike frame. Let me put it in the back. I think there's an umbrella there and there's some other stuff. It's getting dark now, so I don't have a camera. I don't have a flashlight right now. A little bit of scrap metal. Not a lot, but you know, it does add up. The aluminum, maybe. Take this chair. Something like that, I just don't shred there. I have no point cleaning it, or you know, you get so much waste there, and then you have wood to deal with, and some partial wood. It's partial wood, but that's okay. I'll take that. Yeah, it comes in pockets. There's another bike just next to it. next way over there, I'll show you. They're probably happy because they don't have to take the dump over half of the garbage. It's funny, 3 guys in a row throwing stuff out. Here's the bike.
That's free.
Says free. That's our cue. Free is free. And bikes are pretty heavy. That's actually quite a nice bike. It says Dunlop. Huh? What are you, what? Talking about what? Where? I should just hit you, that's all. Table's actually quite a nice table. Bit a little flimsy. Okay. Time to move on. Put that in for garbage. Twisted metal here. It's a toaster. Side of the road. Got a cord. Throw this maybe here. Got the cord on it. Which is good. And then I see an iron. That's okay. Got a couple things there. Perfect.